Let's dance our way into the Intense 5. The Fly. That was the highlight of the vice presidential debate. After just 2 minutes of airtime, The Fly was trending on Twitter. People well idle. The Fly all have his own Twitter account right now. Out and bad stunting. Beanie Man says he has nothing to say about the Angel joining OnlyFans, and he's not worried about backlash or Marco Dean being teased by his friends because he goes to Hillel High. Go figure. Alright then. Tory Lanez has been charged with shooting Megan Thee Stallion. He's facing 1 count of assault with a semi-automatic firearm and 1 count of carrying a loaded, concealed firearm in a vehicle. If convicted, he could face a maximum sentence of 22 years. Whew. Sean Paul says no to a versus clash against Shaggy. He says he'll watch, but it ain't his thing. And finally holding the spot this week, Kanye says forget the campaign, just buy his merch. Really? Well, if you're interested in a hoodie that says vote Kanye, it costs 160 USD. Cha-ching ching. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on Instagram at TVJ Intense.